Okay, in 2014, percentage of U.S. population speak English only, and home is 82.1%. Okay, so here, clear that off. P is equal to 0.821. Has to be in decimal form. Says choose 13 U.S. people at random. So N is 13. And what are we looking for? It was probably exactly 7 of them speak English only. So probability of exactly 7, x equals 7. Now, it's this form, probability x equals a value. Whatever follows your x equals is your A. So A is equal to 7. Our form we're going to use is this first one here. So equals binom.dist, and then A and P false. A, which is 7, N, 13, P, which is 0.821, and then false. Change it to percent, and rounding still one decimal place. Oh, I should read my directions. Give the answer as a percent rounded to a whole number. Okay. So move it 2 decimal places, and round would have 1%.